Okay, before I start this video, hi, my name is Kaitlyn Malone. Just a little tip, all these outfits can be worn with multiple different jackets. I just didn't feel like styling a jacket with every single one because that would look annoying. So let's watch this video. Cue the music.
I can feel the magic in the air, Christmas everywhere. I just need someone to hold. Nothing like your favorite time of year to fill you up with cheer. Come snuggle up in the cold. I don't need presents, I don't need snow. I just need you, babe, and a little mistletoe. 'Cause the only thing that's on my wish list is getting close to you on Christmas. 'Cause all I need is just your kisses. So what you waiting for? Why don't you come and keep me warm? Keep me warm, keep me warm, keep me warm. Why don't you come and keep me comfy, cozy by the fireplace, safe in your embrace. Nowhere else I wanna be. Here together underneath the lights, it just feels so right. That's all I want, you and me. I don't need presents, I don't need snow. I just need you, babe, and a little mistletoe. 'Cause the only thing that's on my wish list is getting close to you on Christmas. 'Cause all I need is just your kisses. So what you waiting for? Why don't you come and keep me warm? Keep me warm, keep me warm, keep me warm. Why don't you come and keep me warm? Keep me warm, keep me warm, keep me warm. Why don't you come and keep me? The only thing that's on my wish list is getting close to you on Christmas.
I hope you enjoyed that one.